Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to talk to you about another wonderful product. And if you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of things. So feel free to subscribe, comment below if you got a product you want me to review. Hit me up. Um, so today is by JBL. It's the JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. I love this thing. It is great. So let's get into what all you get, how it sounds, and why I love it so much. So this is the box that it comes in. It's got a little magnetic tab here. You pull it open, and then the product sits here, and there's a couple boxes that have all the other stuff in it. So what was in one of those boxes, you get your instruction manuals. You get the quick flip setup guide. They love their literature. It comes with 3 months of Google Play Music, so that is what that's talking about. And then this is how you charge it. This lovely bright cord, which is your standard USB charger, which I'm sure you have tons of these depending on your devices. And then this is the Bluetooth speaker itself. Now, full disclosure here, I won this speaker. I wasn't actually in the market. I had some other speakers that I have reviewed. You can check those out in my links here. But so I won this, which is how I got it, and I have fallen in love with it because it's great. So it holds a 12-hour battery life. It has a 3000 mAh ion battery. It can hold up to 2 devices, so it can be paired to 2 devices, and it is IPv7 waterproof rating, which is great because if you're hanging by the pool and it falls in the water, it's not going to destroy it. I guess you can put this in the shower if you want. It's basically full waterproof. I wouldn't obviously go scuba diving with it. That would not be a good idea. Let's see, what other stuff? It connects with your phone, or if you connect it with your phone. One of the things that they say it does, which I would never use, but hey, I'm sure somebody does want this feature. It pairs with your phone and you can talk through it. So it'll use as a giant speakerphone for phone calls. Also, another feature I have not yet tried out, it does connect with Siri or Google Now voice assistants. Once again, I think it has to be connected through your phone because it doesn't connect directly to the internet. It is lightweight. It's basically a pound and change, which makes it great for portability. And then, of course, with the cord here, if you want to hang it, so you get full immersion sound. So on the device itself, you've got the main speaker here. You've got the bases on the side here. You've got the Bluetooth connection. You hold that down to pair it. You got the volume down, volume up, and then the pause button. I haven't quite figured out what that little button is. I guess that's what the instructions are for. And then you got the power button here. And then under this flap, now this has to be closed to maintain the waterproof. You've got where you can charge it, and then it's got a USB or a headphone jack if you want to plug headphones into it, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a speaker here. But you can plug headphones into it. Another really cool thing about this and JBL in general is it has what's called JBL Connect Plus, which means you can, if you have multiple Flip 4s or some of the other JBL products that support the Connect Plus, that means they all compare together, and so you can get surround sound, or you can really get rocking at the beach or by the pool or whatnot. So that's a cool little feature if you have several JBL products. So let's power this up. We'll turn it on here, which you'll hear the little power on. There you go. And then that sound is saying it's connected to Bluetooth here. Gonna play some Lindsey Stirling here just so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. So there we go, and then volume up. So I know you can't really grasp that by going through out the speaker through my camera and then out your computer speakers. But it has a great sound to it. It has a really rich sound, and it has a great bass. So obviously, if you have a really bassy song, it really excels at that. Which is one of the reasons I love it. So compared to some of the other speakers I have, which are more flat across the board, this has a real rich sound. And that's basically it. Like I said, if you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker, I would check out the JBL Flip 4. And also be sure to check out my other videos, because this runs around $100 if it's not on sale. There are obviously some more expensive options and some more affordable options out there in the market. So I'll include a link below. Check out the other reviews, see what other people feel about it. Either way, I'm happy with it, and it's great for the summertime here. So please do hit that subscribe button. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. Bye. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.